I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can change your phone number in Binance. So it's pretty simple to change your phone number in Binance. But if you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link down in the description to get up to $10 bonus. So let's start the video without any further ado. Now, once you're in Binance.com and on your account, you want to click on your profile looking icon over here and then go on security. Once you're in your security, you want to click on where it says SMS authentication to disable. Once you click on disable, it's going to take you over here. Now you want to click on click to gate code, and it's going to send the verification code to your phone to verify if it is you who's trying to disable it. And do the same for email as well. Click on send to code and it's going to send a verification code to your email as well. So as you guys can see, Binance have, send me the code on my email. I'm going to copy this. So I haven't received the verification code on my phone, so I'm going to click on send code again. After entering your verification code, click on submit. Wait for some time, and it is done. Now you can just click on SMS authentication on and enter a new phone number over here and verify your phone number and click to get the code on your email as well to verify it's you who's trying to enter a new phone number over here. Click on submit, and after that your phone number is changed. So that's basically how you change your phone number in Binance.